Noise-induced hearing loss is hearing impairment resulting from exposure to loud sound. It can rupture the eardrum or the hair cells of the inner ear. Continuous listening to an MP3 player, even at a seemingly reasonable level, can damage the ear. Loud exposure can also cause tinnitus, a ringing, buzzing, or roaring sound in the ears. Hearing protection is used to reduce the noise reaching the ear, thereby reducing the risk of hearing damage from excessive noise. Audiologists can provide comprehensive, state-of-the-art care for noise-induced hearing loss for adults and children. Talk with an audiologist if you are experiencing problems in daily listening environments. We are audiologists, the hearing and balance professionals. Protect your ear and make listening safe. Video brought to you by Radhika Mohan, audiologist and speech language pathologist, Kuch.